ITMA is all about innovation. And as we're discovering, digital automation is moving hand in hand with more sustainable production. Huge machines can make many tons of fibres and turn them into fabrics each day. But to turn those fabrics into garments has always taken many smaller machines and many people to work at them. In 2023, however, connected networks means the laborious work can be digital. From design to delivery, in today's Newsflash, we'll introduce a few more of the game-changing concepts being showcased. I'm joined now by Rick Stanford from Baldwin, and I understand you're enjoying really big success with your Texcoat G4 system. Who and what is driving demand for this kind of finishing system?
Actually, it's driven by three different areas. Number one, the consumer, they're driving the brands. Today's consumers are absolutely insisting on sustainable products. And because this is being driven to the brands, of course, are driving this to their supply chain. And so the supply chain are the ones that have to do all the heavy lifting. They're the ones that have to reduce their carbon footprint. So we've done several projects with brands and with mills where we have shown where we can actually reduce water, energy, chemistry around 50%. So it's pretty substantial.
So innovation really is at the heart of what's going on down at ITMA's Startup Valley, and I'm joined now by the CEO of Colorized. I wonder if you could start, why does the dyeing and finishing sector really need to change?
Well, the dyeing and finishing sector needs to change as it is the most polluting sector of the textile industry. According to Apparel Impact Institute, it is 40% of the garment's environmental impact. We can do lots of other things, but we're really not making the impact, and we're not going to hit the numbers that we're hoping to hit in the next few years.
So I'm joined now by the General Manager of Colourjet, and I wonder, as India's largest manufacturer of digital printing technology, I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about what you're demonstrating here at ITMA 2023.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's so glad to be back at ITMA. And this year at ITMA 2023, Colourjet has showcased their latest pigment and reactive printing technologies. So we have a machine which is printing at a very high speed using pigment inks and very less water consumption. So literally no water consumption. And we have the Metro Next, which is a 5,000 meter production printer per day, which is again a new launch for European market. So I'm very much excited. We can see a lot of visitors coming here and appreciating the new technology we have displayed on the booth.
I'm thrilled to have headed down to ITMA's Startup Valley, and we're meeting the team here at ColourKim. Now, you're introducing a range of natural fabric dyes. What are they made from?
Dye stuff are made of roots, leaves and vegetable waste.
How extensively have the dyes been tested, and what's been the industry response?
This is the problem of this industry is testing, because there is no kind of laboratory around the world who can test natural dyed materials. That's why we're just working on it together with Hornstein Okotex, and we apply them and we try to just make the database first and then to make them able to just test the textile materials.
I'm thrilled to be joined now by Mr. Dilo, CEO of the Dilo Group, and your new micro-punch needle punching system has been designed as a low-energy alternative to water jets.
Exactly.
How does it work?
It works on the basis of conventional needling by increasing the needle density in the board extremely. So we have an excessive needle density in the board, up to 45,000 needles per meter per board. We have a series of 12 boards in a row in 3 machines, and that is the basis of this idea, that we want to have the same productivity or almost the same productivity and a very similar product which is finely needled with a lot of stitches per square centimeter, up to 900 stitches per square centimeter. And of course, to do that, a lot of prerequisites mechanically, electronically, software side and also fiber technology side has to be adapted to that jump in the needle density.
We just haven't had time in this series of live reports to do justice to all of the incredible innovation that's on show here in Milan. So I hope you'll join us tomorrow for a final wrap-up of what's new.